Hello, I'd like to demonstrate our version 2 of the InterLearn curriculum shown in our Canvas learning management system. So each course will have the same general format in our version 2, and you'll see that it always opens up and it shows this start header. So you'll find that the course title, the start button, and details always in there laid over the top of our logo. And you can click start and it begins to show you the course information. You'll see the course description, you'll see the course objectives, course resources that are required, the assignments that are listed and their point values. You'll see a grade weighting scale, and you can see over on the sidebar to the left that there are the status bar. You can see that the ring is closing because we're getting close to the end. Here you can find policies and procedures that govern the courses. And then a program framework, you can see the background information of the theories, etc., that we use to design the programs. And then when you want to get started on the content, you can click to go to workshop one, or you can come over here and select it from this sidebar. So this middle section contains all the course information, the data, as it were, in the course. And then to participate in the program, in the course, you go over to the sidebar in Canvas. So you'll see the discussion area, places to submit your assignments, where you can look at your grades, look at the people that are in your class, that sort of thing. So each course, each week, and undergraduate courses have 5-week classes. Graduate maybe 6 or 8 depending. And each course week starts with this checklist. So it starts with the preparation pieces, what you need to do, readings, etc. It has your discussions and then your submissions. Now, depending on whether you're choosing a faith-based program or a non-faith-based program, you'll find on Secretariat, you'll find it may have a devotional in there. That is the principal ideas of the week. Then it moves on to the discussion question for the week, or discussion questions, depending on the course. And then you'll have submissions, the things that you're going to do to complete the assignments, the major pieces of the course. And to do the discussion questions and the devotional, you'll go over to the discussion area. Let me just click over there to show you that in Canvas. You can see that there's a class introductions, there's a week 1 devotional, then there's the discussion. Let's just look in the discussion course. And you can see that it has a place for the student to be able to submit that assignment or that discussion. And going back to the home, you'll find that in the workshop, as you're going through, you'll see that there's rubrics for the materials. And so each course, each assignment will have a rubric that is the student can see how it will be graded. So you'll be able to kind of gauge your response for that, for the assignments. And let me just pop into one of those real quick, and you can see it actually pulls it up, downloads it into your browser, and then shows it. Let me pull it over here as it opens up. So it'll show the material right there, so you can see what it's being judged on, that sort of thing. And then, as I said, you'll go over to here to submit your assignments. You'll pop in there and there'll be a link to those specific assignments where you'll go in there and record your response. So you'll upload your file or whatever is required for that specific assignment. And then each week you'll proceed through the material. In some courses, there'll be videos to watch. In some courses, there'll be articles that pull up. And of course, there's textbooks, etc., that you'll purchase as part of your course. And then as your faculty interacts with you in the discussion areas and grading of your assignments, you'll get that feedback that you need to know how you're doing, and your grades will be populated in the grade book. So that's how each of our courses are set up. You'll find that our structure is pretty much the same across different courses. We want you to learn the material and not have to learn how the course is structured each time. So that's our design. So please, if you have any questions as you're taking the course or wanting to learn more about it, please reach out to us. Thank you.